In every whitewater slalom course, obstacles play a crucial role, shaping the flow, creating waves and eddies and defining the challenge for athletes. Traditionally, these obstacles are plastic or concrete blocks, standardized in shape and often disconnected from the natural environment. Print flow blocks change that. It's the first 3D printed obstacle system designed to mirror the forms of nature with concrete shells, filled with local stone and shaped precisely to the hydraulics of each course. The result is a custom, sustainable and truly natural watercourse. Our goal is to transform how watercourses are designed and built, from standardized artificial systems to site-specific sustainable solutions. This project helps us bridge the gap between research and real-world application, bringing digital technology and additive manufacturing into hydraulic engineering. Our main target group are white watercourse operators, from Olympic venues to regional training centers. These facilities are looking for safer, more flexible and environmentally responsible solutions. Beyond sport, urban designers and recreation planners are showing growing interest for city riversides, park waterways and public water features. Our team combines decades of experience and is led by Professor Jaroslav Polat, former world champion and designer of the Rio 2016 and Tokyo 2020 Olympic white watercourses, and with colleagues skilled in digital hydraulic simulations for industrial projects. We are also in close cooperation with both men and women athletes who provide necessary feedback and ideas shaping the project. The innovation efforts are backed by state-of-the-art testing at the Czech Technical University's hydraulic laboratory, where designs can be validated before they reach real water. In cooperation with our specialized 3D printing partners, we've already brought print flow blocks from the lab to the river with fully functional prototypes installed in natural environments, proving their performance, resilience, and seamless integration with nature. Our commercialization strategy is taking shape with defined cost models, production scenarios, and partnership frameworks. This feasibility project is the key step in turning proven prototypes into a scalable business, connecting technology, market demand, and production capacity. The Sigma program aligns perfectly with this vision, helping us validate the final steps toward full market readiness.